Good morning, class! Okay, good morning. To formally start our discussion this morning, please, student 1, lead the prayer. Amen! So, how are you, student? I hope you're doing great. I hope you're fine despite of this pandemic that we have. Please do remember to wear your mask and please do bring alcohol. Okay, please, secretary, please check the attendance and later on give it to me after the discussion. Okay? Okay. So please also arrange your chair. Row 1, row 2. Yes, row 3. Arrange your chair. So, are you ready for this morning discussion? Okay, that's the energy. So, to formally start our discussion this morning, I prepared here an activity that will give you a hint for our topic this morning. Are you ready? Okay, so the topic of this the title of this activity is Arrange the Puzzle. So I have here an envelope that contains a paper puzzle. So all you have to do is to form or to arrange the paper puzzle here. So I have also put here a clean paper. So all you have to do is to put your answer into this clean paper. Are you ready? Okay, are you ready? So group 1, group 2, and group 3. So I'll give you 5 minutes to do your activity. Are you ready? Okay, timer starts now. Time's up. Okay, so let's see if your answer is all. So what group 1, what is your answer? Yeah, informative essay. Group 2, informative essay. Yes, another group 3 is informative essay also. So how do you find the activity? Is it good, is it bad, or do you find it easy? Okay, a little bit harder. So do you have any idea what will be our topic this morning? Anyone? Yes, very good, group 1. Our topic this morning is all about informative essay. So, before I proceed to our proper discussion, I prepared with also here an objective. Let's read it. So, our objectives. At the end of the lesson, the grade 8 student can A. Identify the elements of informative essay, B. Discuss the importance of the informative essay, and C. Create your own informative essay. So, what do you think? Is this objective attainable? Yes, and I hope we can attain this objective. So, I prepare here another activity, and this activity is by group. And this activity is called collaborative learning activity. But before we proceed to the activity, let's read first our objective here. So, objectives of the collaborative learning. So first, discuss and explain the informative essay and its element. Second, know the importance of informative essay and how they will apply in their daily living. Okay, so number 3, creativity, mastery, and understanding should be shown in presenting the task. So here again, I have here an envelope. So all you have to do, in this envelope, it contains the rubrics and also the tasks that you're going to present later. So this will be the group 1, the group 2, and the group 3. So all you have to do is to brainstorm and help each other in order for you to have an idea. And I want one representative each group. Are we clear? And are you ready? Okay, that's the energy. So group 1, group 2, and group 3. So your timer starts. Actually, I'll give you 10 to 15 minutes. Okay? Okay, so timer starts now. Okay, time's up. Okay, so group 1, please do present your activity. Okay, very good. That's a great presentation, group 1. Group 2. What an amazing performance, group 2. Group 3. That's also a great performance. So let's go back to our objectives. So first, we have Discuss and explain the informative essay and its elements. Already explain it, and you know and even the elements of the short story, and you show creativity, mastery, and understanding in presenting your task. And also the importance, you already as what you've said earlier, that informative essay it is very important in our daily living, because we can be an example or a living informative wherein we can inform other people, especially if that thing is really a helpful one to everyone. So that is really important. So you must put it in your mind that informative essay it is very important in our daily life. So are we clear? Do you have any question? Do you have any clarification or activity? Okay, very good. So another activity, but this time it will be by pair. Okay, so by pair. So choose your pair. Okay, another here. I have here another envelope that contains question. Okay, so I want you in your pair to discuss the things that you've learned in the presentation earlier that we had. So after that, there are questions inside here, and you need to answer it. And I will call names randomly, and then you're going to present your outputs here in front. So are we clear? Okay, so here's our the envelope. I'll give you 10 minutes again to do that activity. Your timer starts now. Time's up. Okay, so I'll call a name. Student 1, please share your answer here in front. Okay, very good. That's really a great idea, and that activity is really good for you to all to evaluate if you really have this learning in the discussion earlier, or in the group discussion earlier. So, student 13, please share your answer. Okay, very good. And as I observe, all of your answer is good. And as I observe, also you're satisfied with the things that you've learned. So do we really need to tackle our topic this morning? Since you already have the ideas, the knowledge. Yes, we need also we need it to discuss to continue discuss our topic, because there are also things that you need to learn. So let's proceed to our proper discussion. I hope you enjoy our activity. So, informative essay. So, informative essay educates your reader on a topic. So, informative essay is to educate your reader on a certain topic. For example, in our generation today, most people are not really good in technology. So, your topic is technology. So, you're going to educate them, or to give them or about something that is connected to education. In that way, you're going to educate them. Yes, so another example, another definition is provide information in one of a number of organizational patterns. From the word inform, you're going to inform the people around you. You're going to inform your readers, to all the readers that want to read your topic. So in these organizational patterns, we have here the cause and effect, definition, descriptive, problem and solution. So here, inside of your informative, it's either cause and effect of something, definition, descriptive, or problem and solution of something. For example, your topic is about love. So in that love, there are problem about love, and there's in that also in your informative essay also you have also a solution for that problem about love. So in informative essay, we have also 5 elements of this an informative essay. And what are those? We have here, so what do you think are the elements of the short story? Yes, introduction. Yes, very good, the conclusion. So let's see if your answer is correct. Okay, very good. You've got another correct answer. Our first element is introduction, the beginning, from the word intro, the beginning. Otherwise known as introduction is your opportunity to present your thesis statement and grab the attention of the reader. So introduction is the one of the crucial part of informative informative essay because you need to give all your force, all your ideas, all the things that you want to point out in your informative essay in just one sentence. Because if you have this one strong and powerful one sentence first in your introduction, the attention or the attention of the readers of yours is will be catched, and they want to continue to read your informative essay. And because there will be curiosity that will build in their minds, so that's why they want to continue their reading. That's why in your thesis statement it must be strong and powerful. Okay, are we clear? Yeah, so another element is background. So, provides a context for understanding the points that the writer wants to make. So, remember that if you want to be a writer, then you must have a topic that is familiar with you, or you already have the understanding, or you have already the knowledge about that. Especially if you have experience, and that would be a great thing to use that experience of yours. Especially if remember that if you want to have the topic of love, then especially if you don't have any background of it, syempre, we will going to search or read an article. But if you have already an experience, then use that one. That would be a great. So for the third one, we have here the thesis statement. Okay, thesis statement. So, states the main point of the essay. This thesis statement is usually found in the first line of the introduction or the strong line of yours. So, there are also thesis statement in your body that I find, but that not really that powerful. But this thesis statement are those points that you want to point out along with your in your informative essay. Okay. So, do you have any question about a thesis statement or even the background? Do you have any question? Okay, then let's proceed. So next is body. So body, the middle. Okay, so the middle, otherwise known as the body, is your opportunity to expand upon the statement and grab the attention of the audience. So another one, if your thing is that in the introduction you need to catch the attention. This time you need to grab again their attention to this one, the body part, in which you're going to have a support details or support statement in your introduction. If you have this strong, powerful one sentence in your introduction, you need to support it in your body, or you need to explain it, and you will going to elaborate the things that they need to know. And this body is also it consists 1 to 2 paragraph. Then in that way, if you already elaborate the things that you need to discuss or to write in the body part, then then you will grab the attention of your reader. Okay. Do you have any question about the body? Okay, none. So let's proceed to the last one, and that would be conclusion. So from the word conclusion, conclude. So this is the end. Actually, in this informative essay, we have only the three major parts of this informative essay. We have the introduction, the body, and the conclusion, which is the beginning, the body, the middle, and the introduction is the end. So it's supposed to be only three paragraph in your informative essay. So the end, it is the opportunity to summarize the essay in a paragraph or two. It should be for the reader to want to learn more about the topic. So you must conclude everything in your introduction and in your body in the conclusion part, wherein you need to, aside from elaborating in here in the body, elaborate, but you also need to sum up all the things that the readers want to learn in just one paragraph. So you need to summarize in just one paragraph or two. So you have to conclude everything that you need to learn, or the important details of yours in the conclusion. So I think that would be all. Do you have any question before I proceed to our next activity? Do you have any question? No. So let's proceed to our next activity. So our next activity for today is I'm going to give you a clean paper with a rubrics here. You need to read the rubrics and even the direction here. So all you have to do is to make an essay or an informative essay. It's up to you what will be your topic because it is really good and it feels so comfortable if you're going to write something that you can relate on. Okay? Are we clear? Okay, so this is the rubrics and the paper. I'll give you 10 minutes to do that. Okay, very good. Your timer starts now. Time's up. Please pass your paper. Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, as I observe, most of you are really a good writer. And you really follow the pattern that I gave to you. Okay, so I think this is good enough, but I'll give you another activity because one activity is not enough to test if you really understand the topic that we had earlier. So, are you ready? Yes, very good. That's the energy. So, next activity, this will be identification. So all you have to do is to identify the things or the question here, then you're going to answer in the blank space. So are you ready? Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to do this. Okay, timer starts now. Okay, pass your paper. Thank you. So, do you have any question about our topic this morning? None? Okay, if none, I'll give you an assignment to be passed tomorrow. So, your assignment is make your own informative essay about COVID-19 since COVID-19 is really, I think would be a great topic for you. Okay, so, do you have any question before we end? None? Okay, thank you for listening, class. Thank you and goodbye. Goodbye, class. Okay, God bless everyone.